My name is Emilian Kavalski and I'm Associate Professor at the Institute for Social Justice here at the Australian Catholic University in Sydney. My work is within the broad field of international relations and generally contributes to the so-called project of decentering of international politics in two important ways. The first one is the emergence of so-called post-human or non-human or non-anthropocentric forms of international politics. My work in non-anthropocentric IR argues that international politics demands new forms of governance which are not informed by the logics of control and the illusions of security which still seem to inform so much of world politics today, and argues for new modes of sustainable living and resilience in global life. My second research project is on the decentering of the West in international politics, and particularly acknowledging and recognizing the validity of non-Western voices and perspectives in international politics, which have traditionally been silenced, overlooked, outrightly neglected. What I think is distinct about my work is the trespassing of various disciplinary boundaries, which makes it unique both in terms of international relations, but also in terms of the projects that I'm doing. It brings in conversations perspectives that normally would not interact with one another. Another very important aspect of my work is that it actually uncovers what seems to be forgotten perspectives. A lot of the work these days, or research these days, seems to be uncovering new practices and new outlooks and new worldviews. But in my work, I've found that actually a lot of the current issues and current problems we're facing, some of the answers for those issues, some of the contributions to the conversations about those issues actually come out from perspectives which have been forgotten, either consciously or unconsciously, purposefully or not. The Institute for Social Justice is an interesting place for me because it takes seriously both the demands and the concerns of life in the Anthropocene, but also takes very seriously non-Western perspectives and worldviews, as well as indigenous perspectives, which are very important to my work. What I think is particularly worthwhile for my work with the Institute is the collaborative ethos, which makes the Institute such an important place for me to do work that's not only about contemplation, but also action on the world stage.